Hey guys and gals, this is Darren with the Solstice Meadery. I do apologize, it's been a couple of weeks since I've submitted a video for you guys. However, I do have 135 McDonald's honey packets. So I'm technically ready to do a 1 gallon trial for the McMead. I also have my honey for the traditional mead that I intend to make as well for our first batches together. So, um, regrettably, my wife has decided that we have some personal business we need to take care of down in Texas. So we're going to go down there over the Thanksgiving holiday for about a week, a little over a week. And while I'm fairly certain that an airlock can last that long without needing a top off or any supervision, that's going to be right in the middle of um, the fermentation process, and I really just don't want to leave either one of those alone without supervision. So I plan to start those both as soon as I get back. I intend to continue to gather honey, and if I can manage to get enough, might make a 5 gallon McMead. We'll see what happens. I'm going to continue to gather honeys. Like I said, I got about 135 of those for the McMead, and we'll see you guys in a couple of weeks when we get back from Thanksgiving holiday. Happy Turkey Day, happy holidays. You guys have a great time.